So I just got done recording a webinar about content automation repurposing, and I want to show what this looks like in real life with my own webinar as an example. So first thing I'm going to do is come into Riverside, which is where I recorded the webinar. And I'm going to come down here and download a copy of the transcript. And this is about the only part where I can't automate the process. I have no way to get the transcript out of Riverside over into my Google Drive where the automation kicks off. But all I need to do is download the transcript and then come over into my Google Drive and upload this particular file. And that's what kicks off the automation. Then over here in Zapier, you can see this is what I have set up. If a new document hits that particular folder, I called ChatGPT to create an outline for a blog post based on the content of the webinar. ChatGPT creates some drafts of LinkedIn posts, a potential video script. Now I'm going to share clips from the webinar itself, but this gives me the option to create a potential different video. I have ChatGPT generate some key takeaways. I have a format in Canva that's more like a quote post. And so I would use those key takeaways and put it into Canva and create just a different type of social post. I do drafting for long form content like a blog post, a tool called Reflect. So might as well create that file so it's ready for me. And then to Trello, which is my project management tool, each of these cards contains the content from ChatGPT and a date that I'll share these again in the future. So this one webinar will have content dripped out over the next several weeks. Before I publish any of these things, I will go into Trello and do some editing of the ChatGPT output. And some of the ideas I may not use at all, in which case I'll just delete them. But it's a lot easier to work from this existing content that I created through automation than to start from scratch with just my webinar transcript.